Martingale Forex Bot, Martingale Forex Bot. On today's session, we will discuss why Martingale trading bot is so dangerous. At the same time, why Martingale Forex Bot is one of the best and the fastest way to make profit every day in the forex market. 99.99% of the forex bot online is programmed with the Martingale trading strategy. So in this video we'll break everything down, why Martingale strategy, Martingale bot is so dangerous, how it works, and why it's one of the best way to make profit every day. Every day in the forex market. And yeah, it's going to be huge. First, we're going to start from how Martingale bot works, how it really works. If you come over to our chat GBT, let's use our chat GBT to get everything done. If you come over to our chat GBT here, let's ask what is Martingale trading. Come in here, you notice what is Martingale trading on Forex. A simple definition of Martingale trading for people that are total new is a Martingale trading is a high risk trading strategy. First, our ChatGPT already tell us it's a high risk trading strategy, where a trader increase lot size after every losing trade. What this means is that if you open a position, it doesn't go on your direction. What you do is to open another buy position again. Example, you open buy position, it doesn't go on your direction. What you need to do next is to open another buy position again. If it doesn't go on your direction, you open again. If it doesn't go, open again. If it doesn't go, and before you know, boom, your account is gone. If you check this picture here, this is a clear definition of Martingale trading. Example here, you notice this diagram here, we have a first buy position. What do we expect? The market is supposed to go up before we can be on profit. But what happened here? The market keep on going down, which is selling. It opened another one again with 0.2 lot size. Remember, the first one was 0.1. It now increased to 0.2. It opened. The market did not go on our direction. It opened another one again with 0.4. The market still go down. It opened another one again with 0.8. The market keep on going. I said today, I must not go on your direction. It opened another one again with 0.16. And the good news is that immediately the market just go on your direction with few pips. It would close out on massive profit. But what if the market keep on going against you? That's where the ugly story comes out. And that's where 99.9999% of robot traders lose money every day in the forex market. And on today's section, we will discuss why Martingale bot is still one of the best way to make profit every day in the forex market, and how we are able to fix the bigger problem, which is making profit for a long period of time with no possibility of blowing our account with Martingale bot. And why 99.99% of the forex bot in the market is just programmed with the Martingale system. So this video will definitely add a huge value to your trading journey from today. So you have to stay with me to the end. Let's get into it. If you're still with me, let's go more deeper to see why Martingale trading bot is one of the best way to truly make profit every day from the forex market. I don't want it to look as if I just come up with all this all by myself. Let's use our chat GBT to get the right answer to days. Here on my chat GBT, you will see why Martingale can make money every day. So let's kindly look into it. Martingale is one of the fastest way to make daily profit. Why? Because it does not wait too much. What this means is that Martingale bot trade almost every minute of the day. It doesn't wait for much confirmation. Unlike a strategy bot that would wait for days. Maybe, there's some strategy bot that will wait for a few hours before a confirmation would made, before you can even open a position. There's some bot that will even wait for 1 or 2 days before it would open a position, right? Which means that there's no way you can truly make money every day, because you have to wait for a particular confirmation to make. Why a Martingale bot doesn't wait? It opens position, immediately it closes out on profit, it opens another position again, immediately it closes, it opens another position again. And this is one of the main reasons why 99% of the bot in the market is programmed with Martingale system, because it's the only way you can truly make money today. Let's assume Monday, Tuesday profit, Monday profit, Tuesday profit, Wednesday profit, Thursday profit, Friday profit. I can tell you this boldly, it's only a Martingale system that can make this possible. And yet Martingale open trade often. When the market go against it, it increases a lot, so that when price comes back, lead to all trade close in profit. And by doing this, it can open up to 20, 50, 100, 300, even 500 positions in a day. based on the time frame you install it. This is something normal strategy cannot do. Remember, right? This is why Martingale can make money almost every day. So this simple as ABC. A Martingale system, the main reason why it trades every day and it can truly make you money every day is it doesn't wait for any confirmation. It doesn't depend on any strategy. It can open trade every minute of the day. Immediately a particular trade close, it open another one again, and by doing this, it have the ability to open multiple positions in a day. At the same time, have the ability to make you profit every day, which is one of the main reasons why 99% of the bot you are seeing in the market is programmed with a Martingale strategy, and they cannot do without it. And then now that you have known the reason why most of the bot in the market is programmed with a Martingale system, let's move to why people lose money with Martingale bot. Why me and you lose money every day with Martingale bot. At the end of the day, we'll still discuss the solution, what we can do, the right way we can use Martingale to trade, to truly make money, and also protect ourselves from blowing our account. So let's kindly check this. People lose money because most Martingale systems have no stop loss. This is the main issue. 99.9999% of Martingale bot we have in the market, they don't have a stop loss. And this is not a mistake, because most of the people that hold this bot, they don't calculate their risk. They don't take time to know what their bot can truly make in a day. They don't know the worst day of it, and at the same time, how to cut down those losses. This is one of the main reasons. Now you know all this. The bigger question why we are here is, how can we win with a Martingale bot, where 99.9999.99% of the people are losing? How can you win out, man? This is $1 million question. They are expecting to make money for where 99.9999% of the people are losing money. It's possible. And I can proudly tell you this with our own experience. We do it and it's extremely successful. Please take note of these two factors. The first factor you must look into if you ever dream of making consistent profit on forex trading or with any trading bot or with any Martingale bot is understanding how much can my bot make in a day with a particular lot size. Let's assume the minimum lot we all know is 0.01. Is you knowing how much, if I'm using 0.01 at the end of 24 hours of trading, how much can I make, right? And then what is the worst day of this bot? If I'm trading with this bot, if something goes wrong, right, what is the worst day of it? With these two factors, right, you can calculate your risks perfectly and fix a perfect stop loss system to your bot. Now that we are here, the answer is very simple. A Martingale system is not bad. A Martingale bot is not our enemy. Our enemy is risks without control, a system without stop loss, and a system without proper calculation. And this leads us to my own personal result with a Martingale trading bot with proper stop loss system. So let's kindly switch to my phone, to see my personal result, for the past few months with a Martingale trading bot with a proper stop loss. If we come back to this account, today is weekend, there's no running position. If you check this account last week, this week so far, this we generate over $4,881, and we hit our stop loss only once this week, and let's see so far this month. Let's see the win rate of this. If you check this account, you notice I deposited $20,000 on this account. I've almost withdrawn all my deposit. Over $19,100 withdrawal have already been made, and I'm currently sitting on over $44,354 profit. This is with stop loss, 10% stop loss. And the best part of this is that for the past 1 month, our stop loss hit only 3 times. Our 10% stop loss only hit 3 times. And with that, we are still able to come out with massive profit over $240 44% in 1 month, about a month and some weeks. This to show you what a calculated risk is all about. The question now is, how are we able to come up with the perfect stop loss? And that's going to lead us to our VPS, where we install the bot to see everything by yourself, where the volume we are using, and also how we are putting our stop loss perfectly. Come over to our VPS here. You notice this is our account, and if I check this history, let's do all-time history, right? You notice the same thing that show on our phone see show here. We withdraw only 19,000 out of the account, and we deposited 20,000 here. Currently we are sitting on over $44,000. This is about 1 month and some weeks of trading. And if you check this bot here, this is the bot we are currently using, AV Community Bot. You know, every community AI bot, it comes in 2 files, which is buy and sell. One control buy position, the other one control sell position. If we check this bot here, let me open the bot settings. You notice this is where we put our volume, our lot size, right? 0.1, and this is where we put our take profit point, and here is our Martingale step, right? If you notice here, the system have a Martingale step of 1.6. What the bot does is that after analyzing the market with the AI strategy we are using to program the system, then if it opens a position, one position, and it opens the second position, it doesn't go on its favor. That's when it applies Martingale. For the fact that 50% of the time when it analyzes the market, it open position, because it trades up to 20 times in a day, 20, 40 times in a day. Anytime it come up with a perfect signal, it open the position. If it doesn't go on its favor, that's when it apply Martingale. And it's a system we have been using for the past 3 years, up and down, in a way that we can make up to 100% of our account this month, and then in just 1 day, boom, everything goes back to the market, including our deposit and the profit. Why? Because when we program the system, we only believe that what go up would always come down, and what come down would always go up, right? Which is impossible. Some days what go up might not come back. What go up might not come back. How are we able to come up with a solution? If you notice here, for the fact that we did not program the system with stop loss function, we have to come up with another EA, which is mainly to close out loss. Anytime there's a drawdown, up to 10% of our account, we shut down everything. Anytime there's a drawdown, up to 10% of our account, shut down everything. If you check the bot settings here, if you check the settings of this bot, you notice this particular point here. This is where control the stop loss point, stop limit is on 10%. What this means is that anytime drawdown comes, up to 10% of this account, what it does is shut down everything. And the question is, how are we able to know the exact stop loss function to add? Because it's not just about putting a stop loss. If you understand your system in a way that you know that I have this bot, if I'm using 0.01 lot, right, it can make me 5% in 1 day. It can make me 2%. It make me 2% in 2 days. It make me 10% in 3 days. It make me 4% in 3 days. It make me 4%. Sorry, it make me 15% in 4 days. It make me like 20% in 5 days. And within this period, my drawdown did not exceed 5%. Right? Wow. I've been running this system for the past 1 week, 2 weeks, and I make a total of 20%, right? My stop loss did not exceeded 10%, which means that if I'm to set off my stop loss for 10%, for the fact that within 2-3 days, right, it can make me 10%. So it means that if I hit the stop loss of 10% within 2 days, I can quickly recover everything. And for the fact that the bot can trade up to 1 week, you do trade up to 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks without even hitting a 10% drawdown. So if I have a 10% drawdown, come on, my account is safe. That is how we are able to stay consistent with the bot with 100% peace of mind. How do we come up with this? After observing the bot for like 2 years of trading with this system, we noticed it always just one bad day that always take everything back. Imagine you deposited $5,000 or $10,000, for example. Within a month, you are sitting on over maybe 300%, right? And just one bad day, The market, maybe if a news come up, the market will just keep on going up, going one direction for a long period of time. Before you know, boom, account is gone. Just one day. That was how we do our calculation. We noticed that our system have the ability to make up to 1%. Some days when the market is very slow, some days it make 2%, some days it make 3%, some days it make 4%, some days it make 5%. And we ask ourselves, how do we allow ourselves to be so full in a way that we have a system that's truly making us consistent profit, and then we allow the market to take everything back in just one day? That was how we introduced 10% drawdown. And some weeks, immediately the stop loss hit, it only takes us 2 days, 3 days. Let's say we have 2 stop loss in a row, which is almost impossible, but anything is possible in the market, right? But it's almost like impossible. It would take us, let's say, a week to recover back. Instead of we allowing our account to blow, we cut our loss short and allow our win to continue. That's how we are able to stay consistent. And if you check this account here, so far for a month plus right now, our stop loss only hit about 3 times. Still with that, we are still coming up with massive profit. And the best part of this is that we now have 100% peace of mind, knowing fully well that nothing can happen to your account. In the worst scenario is 10%, right? And the best part is that for the fact that the bot can give me 10% in a week without even hitting that 10% drawdown, it means that in the next 1 week, even the next 3 days, in the next few days, I'll still recover. I'll continue making profit again. And for the fact that our system have over 90% to 95% win rate, it makes it so possible for us to win. This is how we join the 1% of those who win in the forex market every day with 100% peace of mind with stop loss. Yeah. And if you think you have any bot that is profitable, you can reach out to us, maybe to assist you analyze your bot, check it out, maybe to tell you the right stop loss you can use. I will be more than happy to do this. And at the same time, if we wish to gain access to our bot, this particular one we are using with the stop loss and everything, just the way we do, is available to all our community members, and I will be more than happy to help. And on my next video, I will talk about the best time frame to use when trading with any system that have a martingale on it, the best time frame to use, the best pair to trade, and also the right stop loss to use. And it's going to be huge. It's going to be huge knowing the right time frame to use when trading with any system that have a martingale system. Because it's not every time frame that works with martingale system, despite how cool the strategy is. And also the right pair to use, it matters a lot. The more important, the type of account you should use. In Forex we have different types of account: standard account, pro account, we have dollar account, we have euro account, we have so many types of account. I'll also take the right account to use when trading with a martingale system. All these help us to stay consistent, and it's going to be huge. If you stay with me till now, please don't forget to drop your comment right now. Drop a comment on the comment section, like this video, also share it with your fellow traders. Let's make some money together. Also check the video description, you'll see a link that will take you to our Telegram channel. Join our community to stay updated. Also check out our daily result with our community bot. If you wish to trade with us, reach out to us right now on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on the video description. I will be more than happy to help. At the same time, see you making some money every day in the forex market with us with 100% peace of mind. That is the most important part of it, knowing that your account is safe. And please don't forget, I remember your friend A Candy Trader. I will be more than happy to see you on my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Very important, because this was going to motivate me to do more. Bye for now.